Welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 196. I understand the significance of a nominal consideration, which is given for the purpose of avoiding paying ad valorem stamp duty, a deed of transfer, a negotiable instrument, and a negotiable security, among which last British government securities take a premier place. Full stop. A form of indemnity is used in connection with the loss of documents, and in other matters. Full stop. Sometimes I have to write on a check, refer to drawer, and occasionally a check is not honored without the written authority of the drawer, or the advice to cancel the check is received. Full stop. I have to pay particular attention to a not negotiable check. Full stop. Without the clearing house, the London clearing bankers would be unable to cope with the huge number of checks which pass daily through their banks, the daily average being about 50 million pounds. Full stop. The amount of labor, both physical and mental, represented by this vast sum, is indeed wonderful. Full stop. There are 4 clearings each day, metropolitan, town, bracket open, morning, bracket close, country, town, bracket open, afternoon, bracket close, at each of which the respective checks are cleared. Full stop. The busiest days are the 4th of the month, when so many bills are payable. Full stop. And the stock exchange settlement days. Full stop.